Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy updo hairstyle using only 3 knots. To start, I'm going to divide off the hair from the end of the eyebrows, bring this to the back of the head and secure it with a clear elastic band. Then just clip this on top of the head for later. Then we're going to take another section from the top of the ears. Again, bring this to the back and secure it into another ponytail. Then clip both those ponytails together on top of the head to keep them out of your way, and just create one more ponytail using the remaining hair. So you should end up with 3 ponytails. Now I'm going to take some texture spray and apply it all over the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, then gently pinch and pull for a little bit of messy texture. Now taking that top ponytail, I'm going to do a simple knot just by looping the ends up and pulling it through the middle. So once you've pulled those ends through, pull it nice and tight and then just arrange it on the head where you like it and secure all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. Now I'm going to combine the tail ends of that first knot with the second ponytail, and again we're going to wrap it round our hand to create a second knot. And again we're going to pull this nice and tight to the head and just sort of move it around until you're happy with the placement of that knot. Hold it flat with your hand and again secure it all around the outside using bobby pins. Now with this third ponytail, the tail ends are a little bit short, so I'm just going to tuck them underneath that second knot and secure them to the head. Then we're going to create one final knot on that last ponytail. So once you've got it where you want it, again just pin it all the way around the outside to keep it nice and secure. And with those tail ends, I'm going to pop a little elastic about halfway down. On the last turn, only pull the ends part way through to create a little loop. It just makes it easier with pinning. And then all I'm going to do is tuck this under that last knot and secure it with a couple of bobby pins. Then just curl any hair you've left hanging down to frame the face. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.